Have you ever wondered about the true story behind the iconic first episode of Saturday Night Live? The new movie Saturday Night offers a captivating look at the chaos that unfolded in Studio 8H leading up to the show's premiere. What's being, but how much of it is true? Let's dive into the real story and explore some fascinating differences between the movie and reality. Um, it, the movie Saturday Night showcases the intense rivalry between Chevy Chase and John Belushi, but in reality, their feud was inspired by a brawl between Chase and Bill Murray. The film also features a fictionalized version of Milton Berle, who didn't actually appear on the first episode of SNL. One of the movie's central themes is the construction of the brick floor for the show. But in reality, it was completed before the events of the first episode. Additionally, George Carlin's objections to a sketch uh, didn't occur just minutes before the show, as depicted in the film. The movie suggests that Andy Kaufman saved the show with his Mighty Mouse routine, but in reality, he was eventually barred from SNL due to his uh, increasingly eccentric and more uh, provocative comedic style. Chevy Chase was indeed set to host Weekend Update, but Lorne Michaels was the original choice, not the last minute replacement as shown in the movie. Contrary to the film, it was Lorne Michaels' uh, manager, Bernie Brillstein, who convinced John Belushi to sign his contract, not Michaels himself. The movie also depicts a fight between Chevy Chase and John Belushi before the first episode, but in reality, Chase's altercation was with Bill Murray during a later season. Lastly, the movie suggests that Lorne Michaels discovered comedy writer Alan Zweibel on a Saturday night, but in reality, they had met a year earlier. And Michaels didn't immediately offer him a job. While Saturday Night takes creative liberties for dramatic effect, it still captures the spirit of the groundbreaking show's early days. So if you're a fan of SNL, this movie is definitely worth a watch. Uh, Now, before I let you go, I'd like to share a little joke with you. Why don't we ever tell secrets on a farm? Because the potatoes have eyes, the corn has ears, and the beans stalk. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.